Hello dear students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. So dear students, today we will start a new chapter in Maths, chapter number 13, Smart Charts. So immediately question arise in your mind, what is Smart Chart? We heard the word charts, but here the word is Smart Chart. So what is Smart Chart? Let's see the example so you can understand. See here in your book, one picture is given to you, and in this picture we can see different colors flowers. So flowers of different colors are given to you. Have you been to a park? તમે કદી પાર્કમાં ગયા છો? So what color flowers did you see? તમે કયા કલર્સના ફ્લાવર્સ ત્યાં જોયા છે? Were most of the flowers yellow in color? So વધારે પડતા ફ્લાવર્સ યલો કલરના હતા? તો અહીંયા આપણને એક પિક્ચર આપી છે ને, હિયર વન ટેબલ ઇઝ ગિવન ટુ અસ, વી હેવ ટુ કમ્પ્લીટ ઇટ. So in one column color of flowers are given, and in second column we have to find number of flowers. So the blue color, how many blue color flowers are there? So let's count here how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 blue colors flowers are there. So here we write 8. Then the second one is red color flowers. How many red color flowers are there? So let's count them. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here we write they are 7. Then orange color flowers. How many orange color flowers are there? They are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So here 8, then 7 and then 5. And we can see here the purple color flowers. How many purple color flowers are there? So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So here we write 10 number. So dear students, here we have different colors, different flowers of different colors. We counted them and write how many are there in number. So when we make a chart, numerical number we show in chart, it is called a smart chart. કોઈ નંબર્સનો આપણે ચાર્ટ બનાવીએ છીએ, એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ધ સ્માર્ટ ચાર્ટ. તો આપણે અહીંયા શું બનાવ્યું? ચાર્ટ બનાવ્યો. બરાબર. તો આવા ઘણા બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ આપણી જોડે હોય છે. સપોઝ વી હેવ વન એક્ઝામ્પલ. સી હિયર, ગેટિંગ સ્માર્ટ વિથ ચાર્ટ. So here the chart is given to us. It is a attendance board, and in class 1 number of students, how many number of students are there? Number of students are 27, and students present 25 students present. So how many are absent? 2 are absent. Then in second standard total 23 students are there, 22 present and 1 absent. Then in class 3 24 students are there, 21 students present and 3 absent. Then class 4 22 students are there, in out of 22 18 are present and 4 are absent. Then in class 5 25 students are there, and out of 25 23 are present and 2 are absent. So dear students, this board shows the number of students in each class. It also shows the number of students present and absent. So here numerical data. We have numerical data of class 1 to class 5. નંબર્સ આપેલા છે કે કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે, એ આ ટેબલ પરથી આપણે જાણી શકીએ છીએ કે કેટલા પ્રેઝન્ટ છે અને કેટલા એબસેન્ટ છે. Now how many children in all are there in the school? તો એમાંથી આપણે જાણવું હોય કે સ્કૂલમાં કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે. How many students are there in school? So what we have to do? We have to make the total of all the students. So 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 5 21, we write 1 here, and 2 carry, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. So total how many students are there? So if we have this type of smart chart, so and we have to answer any question, we can find immediately the answer from the chart. So here we get directly, we get the answer, total 121 students in school. And how many children in all are absent on that day? So how many are absent? 2 1 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12. So today 12 are absent. So if we have smart chart, so we can directly give the answer of any question. Now here we have one smart chart. So in smart chart, dear students, we use any symbol or any sign. So here absent students chart is given to us. In class 1, how many students are absent? 2 are absent. So directly not written the number, but this 2 students, they use this symbol or sign for the absent student. Okay. So 2 are absent. So how many signs, how many symbols are drawn here? 2 symbols are drawn. Then in class 2, 1 student is absent. That's why 1 symbol is there. Then in class 3, 3 students are absent. So 3 symbols are drawn here. And in class 4, 4 students are absent. So 4 symbols are drawn here. Here we have to draw for class 5. How many students are absent in class 5? 2 students are absent. So how many symbols we have to draw here? 2 symbols. 1 and 2. So smart chart shows the numerical data by using the symbols and signs. It is called a smart chart. So this is a chart to show the number of absent students, and each absent student is shown by this symbol. Okay, dear students, so here we showed the absent students of class 5 by drawing these 2 symbols. So now dear students, here we use this symbol. Sometimes we use the tally marks. Now the question arises, what is tally marks? So tally marks is a group of 5 lines. Tally marks શું છે? 5 લાઇન્સનું એક ગ્રુપ છે. એમાં શું કરવાનું હોય છે? 4 lines straight line we have to draw. It is a group of 5 lines, and how to draw these 5 lines? Say 1 2 3 4, and જે fifth line આવે છે એને આ 4 ની પર શું કરવાની હોય છે? Slant draw કરવાની હોય છે. So tally mark is a group of 5 lines. Then here in this chapter also you will see a new word, bar graph. So what is bar graph? Bar graph is a graph in which we show the numerical data by drawing a bar. Bar એટલે જે પિલર આપણે ડ્રો કરીએ છીએ, સ્ટ્રેટ પિલર ડ્રો કરીએ એને કહેવાય છે બાર કહેવાય છે. બરાબર? So dear students, when we see the examples, you can understand it in better way. So let's see exercise in a workbook, smart charts, and first example is given to us. Draw tally marks as per example. Okay, so I show you and I told you that what is tally marks. Tally marks is a group of 5 lines. So here we have to draw, one example is given to us, and for number 7 tally marks are given to us. How to draw? See, number 7. So 7 lines we have to draw. But I told you that tally marks is a group of 5 lines. એટલે 7 lines કેવી રીતે draw કરવાની? તો 1 2 3 4, fifth line આડી, આ 5 line થઈ, હજુ બીજી 2 draw કરવાની છે. So this is 6 and this one is 7. So this way you have to draw the tally marks. So this group of 5 lines is called the tally marks. These 2 are also tally marks, but here we have remaining 2 lines that we have to draw straight line. Now for number 8 we have to draw the tally marks. See number 8. So we have to first 1, 2, 3, 4, and for 5th we have to draw the slant line on 4 lines. So this is 5. And how many remains now? 6, 7 and 8. Then for number 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th આપણે સ્લેન્ટ દોરવાની. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. અહીંયા પણ હવે 5th line આવી. 10 number એટલે 5th line. So 10 we have to draw this way. Then for 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number આવે એટલે શું કરવાનું? સ્લેન્ટ. 5, 5 નું ગ્રુપ બનાવવાનું. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16, 17 and 18. તો 5, 5ના ગ્રુપ પર જે 5th લાઇન આવે છે એને આપણે શું કરવાની? સ્લેન્ટ ડ્રો કરવાની. Then for number 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and for 21 we draw one line. Same way this side also we have number 11. So we draw tally marks for number 11, 1, 2, 3, 4 on 5th number slant line, then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and for 11 we draw one line. Then for number 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12 and 13. Then for number 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so dear students, this way we have to draw the tally marks for question number 1. Now we see question number 2. Write the number of tally marks as per example. See, in first example numbers are given to us and we draw the tally marks. Here tally marks are given to us, we have to count them and we have to write the correct number. See first example. See dear students, we know that tally marks is a group of 5 lines and the remaining line we draw straight lines. So it is very easy to count them. No need to count one by one. See, it's a one group. In one group how many lines are there? 5. So remaining we add that 5 plus 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total how many tally marks are there? 9. So here written 9. Then here in second example 5 lines group. So they are 5 and one more. So 5 plus 1, 6 are there. Then here in number 4, 2 groups are there. So this one is 5 and 5. How many tally marks? 5 plus 5, 10, 10 and 1, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So here we have to write number 14. Then next example in number 6 we can see 3 groups are given to us and this in one group how many lines are there? 5. So 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 2 more lines. So 15 plus 2, 16 and 17. So directly we write here 17. No need to count each line. Okay, from directly group we can write the answer. Then in number 8 we have 4 groups and in each group how many lines are there? 5 lines are there. So 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. So in number 8 we write number 20. Number 10 you try by yourselves. Then we see here in number 1 we can see only 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines are there. So we write here 4. Then in number 3, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2 more lines. So 10 plus 2, 12 tally marks are there. Then in number 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 and one more line, so it is 16. Then in number 7 we can see 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 4 more lines, so 15 plus 4 19, we write here 19. So dear students, this way you have to count the tally marks. Now we see in number 9 how many groups are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups are there. And in 6 groups how many lines are there? 5 lines are there. Means 5 lines 6 times. So 5 6 are 30, 30 and 4 more lines. So 30 plus 4, 34. So in number 9, 34 tally marks are there. So dear students, this way you have to write answers for question number 2. So write question number 1 and 2 in your maths workbook. Till that, goodbye.